He had a hard time eating. He had a hard time smiling. He was taking care of everybody else in the family, and now it was his turn.
Hi, my name is Robert, and I got my All-On X by Dr. Atcha at New Teeth, Chicago. I had periodontal disease for years, and I battled that for years. I had a couple surgeries to save my teeth, but it didn't work out.
Robert presented to us with missing all his upper teeth and very few teeth left in the bottom. So when he came for a consultation, we discussed what outcomes he wanted, what's missing in his life, what are his pain points.
What drove me nuts with the dentures was the glue, and they were starting to not fit. They fit good for about a year, and then they were already starting to get wacky because the mouth starts to change.
So he went with a full arch, full top and bottom permanent implant option. He was really looking forward to eating better. He was looking forward to smiling more, and he was looking to be more social and being able to look, you look younger and feeling much happier and healthier.
It's been almost a year and no pain whatsoever. I can eat anything I want. I can smile. Doing this was like the best thing I could ever done for myself. I know it costs a lot of money, but it's well worth it,
Never put a price on yourself. Never put a price on health. You are your number one investment. There's no price tag attached to it. And our patients truly believe in it because that's the outcomes that we deliver.
If you have bad teeth and it's holding you back from doing stuff that you would normally do, this is the place to go to get the work done.